Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my session. This is Sohan Notial. This is Dr. Sohan Notial. So this is one hour window open for discussion on project management and or any challenges if any project is facing. And uh, based on our learning, we'll be discussing on a couple of things. In this forum will be uh, this is an opportunity for project managers and the practitioners to ask any questions related with the project, the challenges, and um, they can also share their learnings and take some of the input or provide some input about the project. So, having said that, I will just share one of the a quick overview of the project. In last 2 days session, we would have discussed in detail about the project management. So where why project management is required. So we had a detailed discussion, and considering um, considering the fact that why project management is required, systematically plan, then execute, monitor, and complete work so that the objectives are achieved within the defined constraint. Typically, it could be scope, defined scope, time, cost, and quality. Then the what is why required project management and clear goal define. There is a clear goal definition and algorithm and alignment which is being used. Then efficient resource utilization, then risk identification and control, then structured planning and execution, and then stakeholder communication, and the quality assurance, then time and cost control. All, it also covers the accountability and governance part. So those are the things which we discussed in detail, and just to summarize it, enables organization to ultimately enabling to achieve strategic objectives and control cost and schedule as well, managing risk, that is effectively. That's important because every project, if there could be some risk identified, that needs to be managed effectively. Then coordinate team and stakeholders, coordinating with team and stakeholders, deliver high quality result. So these are the key things. I think why project management is required, and for everyone, whenever they are planning for a project, certain criteria needs to be followed in order to have effective project management, effective delivery of the project. Then I would like to also discuss on a couple of things which I had a detailed discussion yesterday um, about project management used that the eighth edition, and what all the different principles are used as part of the project management. There are some six principles, and as part of project management performance domain, there are seven performance domains, and which are aligned to project management focus areas, which was reintroduced in the eighth edition. In they found that based on the certain criterias, they could make out that this is going to help in achieve achieving a project. These are necessary things. So we'll be going in detail about it as well, about the project already we completed. Just give me a second. Yeah, here you go. So we had already discussed about uh, two principles of project management, and to adapt a holistic view and focus on the value. So these are the key things in focusing on the value. And today we'll be discussing on the other four principles of project management. And having said that, the next one is embedded quality into process and deliverables. So that's very important because embedded quality into process and deliverables to maintain a consistent focus on achieving target quality threshold. Because in order to achieve the threshold quality, this is very much required. This emphasizes on quality helps to ensure outcomes that meet project objectives and align with the needs, requirement, and accept inter criteria set by the relevant stakeholders. So achieving the goals of the relevant stakeholders, that's the important thing. So based on the quality plays an important role. Uh, Project quality entails satisfying relevant stakeholders' expectation and fulfilling project and the product requirement. So that's the key thing. Then quality focus meeting criteria, certain meeting acceptance criteria for deliverables. So the uh, there are certain acceptance criteria which is set by the client, and you could achieve by following the project management principles as in the project. Project quality entails ensuring project process are appropriate and as effective as possible. So that's about our embedded quality into process and the deliverables. Then comes the next principle, be accountable leader. So that's very important to have a very good leader for a project, right, for execution of the project. Demonstrate leadership behaviors and be an accountable leader by guiding your team with integrity, making responsible decisions, and fostering a culture of trust and responsibility. So, what are the things a leadership should ensure while executing a project? Leadership influence, inspire, and motivate others. So he has to motivate the team member, and he has to inspire and influence the other stakeholders. Leaders are accountable for their action. Effective leaders lead by example. Leaders demonstrate responsibility, uh, respect, fairness, and then effective leaders adapt their style to the situation. Effective the leader foster an environment of psychological safety. Any project professionals, stakeholders, and team members can demonstrate leadership behavior. There's no limitation of that. Okay. Then comes integrate sustainability with all project areas. In this principle, integrate sustainability within all project areas. Consistently integrate sustainability practice across all project areas through all phases of the project life cycle as project managers, teams, and sponsor are all jointly accountable for ensuring their integration. Uh, Integrating sustainability means considering people, health, the planet, the society, and value while performing project related activities. Sustainability encompasses addressing environmental, social, and economic impacts, considering the well being of the people globally, the effective and wise, um, wise use of natural resources, and implementing sustainable strategies. The sustainability principles can be evident at the tactical, operational, and strategic level of all projects. So that's about integrating sustainability with all project areas. And the last but not least is about the sixth principle of project management and building an empowered culture. Building an empowered culture that fosters proactive collaboration and promotes unity in the shared objectives effectively and efficiently through the stakeholders and teams with the diverse skills, his knowledge and experience. As part of this, stakeholders determine the success of the project. Stakeholders and team members on a project are key to its success, and they should be empowered across much dimensions. So, typically empowering all the stakeholders who are related with the project. A collaborative object project environment enables stakeholders and team members to contribute their ideas and recommendation freely and proactively to meet the project objectives. So free environment is there for all the stakeholders to put forth their point of view. Knowing that the stakeholders can highly influence project performance and outcomes, motivated and empowered project teams actually engage with the team to maximize value there. So ultimately, the involving the team members, all the stakeholders, empowering them so that they get an opportunity to have a maximum value for the delivery. So that's about the key principles. So I will be also discussing on how this is in aligned and with different project management performance domain. And let me have a quick walkthrough of this. Mm, as part of embedded quality into the process, uh, if you see what all the um, project impacts, right? Sustainability, okay, and then project impact motivate deliverables to the point of delivery without unnecessarily delay. Okay. Minimize the need for rework and or reduce material waste through the early uh, detection and prevention of defects. Then there are how exactly this is mapped with the um, performance domain, the governance, scope perspective, then schedule, financial, stakeholder, resources, and risk. So similarly for the other principles as well, which will be going in detail in subsequent sessions. Then comes typically we will be discussing on ECC, one of how what is the use of UCC and how it is going and how exactly it's faring in this current juncture. Yeah. I think GCC. It's a global capability center. What GCC traditionally focus on is that the question. GCC is a offshore or nearshore unit established by multinational companies to perform business or technology functions. In order to, this is used by the MNCs, is focusing on their business or technology functions. Historically, GCC success was measured by number of employees, cost saving from outsourcing, then operational efficiency, uh, ba- um, back office support services. Typically, functions include IT support, finance and accounting, then HR operations. These are the backend things which is done as part of GCC. Then customer services. This model has largely cost driven. So this is basically the more. This was more focused on cost driven earlier. Then the shift towards the value creation. Today, leading GCC are transforming into innovation and strategic hubs. So there is a transformation. Instead of having number of resources, it is more innovative ideas, innovations, and strategic thinking in perspective. Instead of asking how many people do we employ, organization now ask how much business value do we generate? How much business value? Because what is that business value who is being generated? Value creation includes product innovation, AI and data science capabilities, digital transformation, then advanced analytics, performance engineering, cybersecurity leadership. So these are the things typically expected. And as part of this, my company, that is Technology Allied Systems, is also into product innovation and AI and data science has capabilities, is then digital transformation, and then platform engineering and cyber security leadership. That is one area which we need to get into. Um, why this shift is happening? Because of automation and AI. Technologies such as AI automation and machine learning reduce dependency on a larger workforce. For example, AI model can automate customer support, robotics, um, RPA, robotics process automation, RPA handles um, repetitive tasks. So in order to avoid the repetitive tasks, why can't that be done by the automation or remote automation? Strategic role of GCC. Modern GCC now lead critical business initiatives such as a global product development, AI platforms, digital commerce systems, then supply chain optimization. In many companies, GCC now own entire global platform. Talent quality over quantity. Organization prioritize deep technical expertise and produce management capabilities, have their deeper capabilities, deeper understanding, and research and innovation. This makes smaller but highly skilled team more value than uh, large operation teams, highly skilled teams. So more encouraging highly skilled team members. Example of value creation and in GCCs. A model GCC might build a AI-driven in demand forecasting system, develop a global e-commerce platform, design cybersecurity infrastructure, create advanced data analytics platform. These initiatives directly influence revenue growth and strategic advantage. So those are some of the examples like building an AI-driven demand forecasting system, develop a global commerce platform, and then e-commerce platform, design and cybersecurity infrastructure, or create advanced data analytics platforms. Implication for the future GCC from cost center to innovation centers. So there is a transformation from cost center to innovation center. GCC increasingly function as global innovation hubs. Global innovation hubs. That's there's a clear transformation, and from support role to product ownership. So not only just no a support role, but product ownership. Team moves from supporting operations to owning global product and platform. From headcount to matrix, the business impact matrix. So now there is a complete paradigm shift from headcounts to business impact matrix. Success is the measured by revenue impact. What is the revenue impact? That's how success is measured. Then product innovation and speed of digital transformation. Product innovation, speed of digital transformation, and intellectual property creation. Role of emerging technologies. Future GCC will highly focus on AI and machine learning, cloud native platforms, quantum computing research, advanced data engineering. Okay. So that's what I was just trying to. So in tomorrow's session, I will be going in detail. about uh, GCC, slide by slide. Okay. Today I was trying to focus on certain GCC things, which is more focused on more focused on why GCC is required and what's the difference between earlier and now. What is the transformation from existing to new one, and why there is a transformation is required, and why shift towards the value creation, and why this shift is happening. Then examples, going through some of the examples, and implication from the future point of view for GCC. Then role of emerging technology is typically focused on AI and machine learning, cloud native platforms, quantum computing research, advanced data engineering. So that's what we'll be discussing in detail in subsequent discussion. And so typically this 1 hour window we are open for the public, like, for professional project managers and the consultants who are interested to know about how the consultancy is to be done for the different projects. So it's not necessary for the IT, but across different domains as well. So we'll get an opportunity to discuss with uh, the key uh, practitioners for from the industry about uh, about the project and the consultancy. So thank you. Thanks for your time.